And another thing we also purchased was a Zl1 exhaust. We got a stock Zl1 exhaust, same muffler as the SS or LT1 exhaust, but just bigger tips. I wanted to keep the stock muffler and just get bigger tips, but anything like when you cut these off and put just bigger tips, to me I think it looks a little bit tacky. So that's why we went just with a swap out for a Zl1 exhaust, because the Zl1 exhaust normally has bigger tips than the SS or the LT1. This is a catless warm start. Yeah, sounds good. I like it. I like the stock muffler.